In this video, I am going to explain the three types of entries that Mark Minervini uses to enter and scale into trades. These entries can help you create better risk reward and improve your odds on every position. Now, the book Trade Like a Wizard is the only one book by Mark Minervini which I've decided to read repeatedly this year. It goes into a very technical explanation, but in this video, I'm going to keep it super simple so that anyone can understand. To make it easy, we'll use a cup pattern as an example. Though these entries work across different base types, but the cup pattern is a perfect example to visualize them. So the three entries are the low cheat, the mid cheat, and the pivot or cheat entry. Now let's start with the low cheat. This entry comes in when roughly 60% of the cup pattern is complete. The low cheat entry is the earliest possible entry in Minervini's framework, an anticipatory entry taken while the stock is still forming its base before any clear breakout signs appear. On the chart, this would be around the point where selling volume has dried up and you suddenly start seeing above average buying volume. Now remember, no one knows the exact bottom. The stock can still dip lower, so you have to be careful. Go in slow and small. This is just where you start to build your position. You're getting in early, but the real breakout is still some distance away. Next up is the mid-cheat entry. This usually comes in when about 70% of the cup has formed, roughly the middle to upper part of the base. See, the mid-cheat entry is a refined pre-pivot entry, a spot where the stock starts showing constructive strength inside the base, but hasn't yet crossed the official pivot point. This entry is for traders who want to anticipate the breakout slightly earlier while still watching for some confirmation that the setup is working. If you already have entered a bit at the low cheat, then adding at the mid cheat helps strengthen your position and build conviction as the setup develops. That's how you step into winning trades gradually rather than jumping all in at once. And then lastly comes the cheat or the pivot entry. At this stage, the cup is about 90% complete and the stock is on the verge of breaking out, but hasn't yet done so. In Mark Minervini's system, the pivot point is the precise price level where a stock is poised to break out of its base, the spot where demand finally overwhelms supply and the stock begins a new stage of advance. Once that pivot level is cleared with volume, the stock often moves quickly and strongly. That's your confirmation and the moment where traders can go heavier with position size. Now, you might wonder, why not just all go in at the low cheat? Because think of low cheat area as the testing phase. You're testing the waters out here. The stock is still proving itself. It might be a faulty base, or it might just roll over again and go into a downtrend. By taking a small starter position there, you reduce your initial risk. You also get an early entry. And if the stock starts working, you can use those profits from your low cheat to finance your mid cheat position, which strengthens your overall trade and reduces your exposure. And finally, when the stock breaks out through the pivot, that's your true confirmation and you can scale up aggressively with conviction. That's how you build positions strategically, not emotionally. And that's exactly what Minervini means when he says you buy when you see strength, not when you hope for it. So these are pretty much the three entry points that you should be paying close attention to. The first one is low cheat, which is an early entry with a small position size. Then comes the mid cheat, which is a refined and a more stronger entry. Then comes the pivot entry, which is almost like a confirmed breakout. So the lesson out here is start early, add on confirmation and scale up on proof. That's how you build powerful positions with professional precision. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment below. As I have told you earlier, I love talking to you guys. Don't want the trading to be a lonely journey, no? See you guys in the next one.